Well, I know my limit, and I can admit it. I broke protocol for you. And we'll call it long distance, but video call isn't all it's cut out to be. And that's the scariest thing. And that's the scariest thing. It ain't the falling that scares me, it's the landing on my feet. Now you're back in LA, I'm in the back of a room, and I'm lost in a drink, thinking deep. Well, I know we're tired, but my love ain't expired, no. It's just wearing thin, and I like us as lovers, and I'll see you next summer. Maybe then we'll be just friends, and that's the scariest thing. And that's the scariest thing.